Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about trim command, okay, or how we can use trim command effectively in AutoCAD. Trim command is used to delete the unwanted lines. So trim command is in modify panel under home tab. You can see this is the option for trim command, and I will select this one, okay. Now it is activated, or you can use this shortcut TR, okay. TR for trim, okay. Now I will hit enter or space bar, it will be activated. And here are some shapes that are not perfect, like these shapes. These are unwanted lines that we have to just delete them, okay. For example, here and here you can see. So to delete these line I will use trim command. For that I will just enter TR, then I will hit enter, then I will hit again enter, double enter, okay. So I will enter again. Now if you want to delete these two lines, for example, I will just click on this line is deleted, again this one. Now if I want to delete both of these, I can make a selection for both, okay. Now I can delete these two, and if I want to delete these two, I can select them. So you can see this shape is perfect like this. So this is how we can use the trim command. For example, if I want to use the trim command here, so these two lines are unwanted line, I will delete them. Again I will just activate the trim again, okay. I will double enter, okay, then it is activated. Then I will just select this one, I will just select this one, it is deleted. Now again if I want to delete this one, I can delete this one, okay. Now I can delete this one by one, okay. So this is how we can use trim command as well, okay. Now if I want to delete this one, I can just select this one and it is going to delete. And now these shapes are perfect like these shapes. So if you want to just delete the unwanted lines in an object, you can use this command. This is very effective command, okay, and you will use this command very often in AutoCAD. So I hope you understand this session. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.